Hey guys, it's Stacey Ellison, the CRM queen. And it's a beautiful Sunday. Thought I'd come down here, do a little bit of fishing. And I was catching up on some emails. And I'd asked a few folks, some dealership managers, to send me some emails of topics they wanted to see me discuss at Mark Tewart's Automotive Leadership and Management Workshop, May 20th, 21st in beautiful Cincinnati. So I'm trying to multitask. And you guys know that one of my favorite things to do is fish around in a CRM for areas of opportunity. That is 80% of what I do for dealers nationwide, now international. So as I'm going through the emails, I thought I would read a few and go over some of the topics that we're going to discuss. So one of the emails I got says, a customer walked into the dealership yesterday. They didn't buy. Said they needed to think about it, so I marked them lost in the CRM. Was that the correct thing to do? My answer obviously is no. So this question brings me to one of the things we're going to discuss is custom follow-up for every customer status imaginable. Whether they're unfinanceable, whether they bought elsewhere, it doesn't matter what their situation is. We'll discuss that follow-up as well. Another, a BDC Internet Sales Department email. I have Internet Sales Department and BDC agents who need to be off by 5 o'clock. Is it okay I shut my department down at 5 o'clock? No. We're going to review staffing procedures in your BDC and Internet Sales Department to make sure that all the follow-up gets done, nothing slips through the cracks, and your dealership is going to get a hold of those customers before your competition does. Here is another BDC Internet Sales Staff Department question. What should I look for when hiring BDC and internet staff? That's a really, really good question. I know who sent this in. So another topic I'm going to discuss is to review specific behavioral interview questions to find you quality candidates. What benchmarks should I measure to ensure the department is a profit center, not an expense? This is one of my absolute favorite things to do. So one thing we're going to review is a complete ROI analysis of your department from human capital all the way to net profit. And the number one CRM question of all time, what is the best CRM? I know you guys have heard multiple answers to this question over the past 40 years, but I'm going to give you the answer at the event. So again, make sure you join me May 20th, May 21st in beautiful downtown Cincinnati. It is at the Moreline Lager House. That's right, we're having it in a brewery. So make sure you click this link, register today, and I will see you there.